About 200 square feet of carpet cleaning. I just wanted to show you this is all compacted hair. If you look on the pad, it's just thick.
That's after vacuuming.
Well, after vacuum in multiple directions.
Very well, I'll have you know.
What's that?
Very well, I'll have you know.
Yeah, vacuum very well. I heard it from you heard it from the horse's mouth. Not that he would give me credit for doing something like that. Anyway, you get examples coming off the pad, just ripping up the hair. Anyway, post vacuum is going to be important. Yes, the CRB would get more of that hair out, but exactly how much damage this hair in a carpet is going to do to the fiber, I just don't know. All right, I thought I'd try this again and maybe see if I can, demonstrate the handfuls of stuff that's on the top now for, for hair. all over the carpet, and the vacuum or the post vacuum, and then this one, because it was so saturated with urine, we've really had to get it wet, and so this is where Joe Roberts' idea of bringing in let's see if I can get this. Joe Roberts' idea of bringing in the fans would really pay off. It's in a basement, so it'll be difficult to dry.